Welcome. We are discussing picture class. As we already discussed, v decimal point format value. Here we have comma, slash, blank space are called insertion characters. We insert these characters in our value to format data. Comma is often called thousand separator, but wherever we need to display, then we use comma. As here we use as thousand separator, but here the result will be double one comma double two. Respectively slash, if we have value 0 to 10 slash, output will be 27 and 2 3. Wherever we use B in picture format, it means blank space. Result will be 0 2 blank space 2 7 blank space 2 3. Here I use comma in variable 2. When we accept value in variable 1, then move it to variable 2. We have value double one double two. Here is comma after 3 digits from right to left as thousand separator, but we can use anywhere. Double one double two. Here after 2 digits, there is comma. Respectively, we have value in 6 digits. After 2 digits, I put here slash. We have value 0 2 2 7 2 3. Here is slash after each 2 digits. It is called date format. Respectively, if we use B, it means blank space 27 2 2 3. Here is blank space wherever B is mentioned in picture format.